to my channel. This video is in partnership with insert name here. If you haven't watched my other tutorial where I apply the Molly pony, basically insert name here is an LA based company. It's female founded, which is really cool, and they sell really high quality but affordable hair pieces. I'll put the link to my other video where I apply the Molly down below. I also have a discount code here that you can use for 15% off. I'm going to be applying the Mayo pony today, which is their best selling pony. The Molly pony has the clip application, but this one's different because it has the Velcro strap application, so I'll show you how to do that today. It can be worn as a high, mid or low pony, and it's very affordable at $45 USD. I can't stop stroking it. It feels so soft and just like real human hair. If you're not sure what color to get, just DM them on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram here and they can let you know which color will suit you best. As you know, I have very curly hair, so it's fun to transform my hair into different looks with these pieces. So when I'm applying the Maya, the first thing I do is spray my hair with water just to help flatten it and so it's easier to brush. Then I just get a normal elastic. Just to secure the hold of the ponytail, I'm going to add another elastic on top of that and tighten. So the pony has a clip here and a strap, and what you're going to do is use that clip here and just insert it just before the base of your natural ponytail. Once the clip is in, you get the strap, and you're going to wrap it around the base of your ponytail. So once you've wrapped the strap around as much as you can, you just got to use some bobby pins to pin it down at the back of your head. So as you can see, the strap goes across there to keep the pony in place. I can't express how soft this pony is, I just can't stop stroking it. It's honestly the best pony I've ever owned. I've gone through a lot of straight hair ponytails, and this one's just the perfect feel, length, thickness. Feel like Ariana Grande. I'll leave the website down below if you want to go shopping, and I just want to say that they come in these cute little silk bags, so I keep all my pieces in the bags and I hang them up in my room. Don't forget to use my code OLIVE. I guarantee you will love any of the pieces that you get. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you soon. Bye!